Hi, and welcome back to Hook Eat Up. We're going to be making a chicken sandwich that features brie, fig jam, a honey mustard dressing, and it's going to come together really nicely, and I'm going to show you how to make it. So before we get into these ingredients, I'm going to have to ask you to hit that subscription button. My next goal is to get to 500 subscribers, and I'm going to need your help to get there. So if you're not already a subscriber, please take that time now, hit the subscription button, and you can get more videos just like this. Now for the ingredients, you're going to need a piece of Italian bread. Now you're going to want to cut this down to about the size of your chicken breast so that in each bite of your sandwich, you have some chicken. You're also going to need a little piece of brie cheese, a pinch or so of arugula, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, whole seed preferably, honey, and fig jam. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is get my broiler on, because I want my broiler to be piping hot so that I can melt down this brie cheese and heat up the chicken fillet at the same time. Now, what we're going to do is you're going to grab your brie cheese and cut a few thin slices. So I'm cutting them to about like 1/8 of an inch thick. I'm just going to layer that right across the chicken. Now as my broiler is getting nice and hot, I'm going to get working on dressing up this arugula. So by eye, I'm just going to squeeze in some of the mustard. The honey. And with a fork, I'm just going to give that a nice toss just to get it coated. And if you want to thin it out or make it a little more zesty, just add like a tiny touch of cider vinegar. Sometimes I do that, but for today, I'm going to just skip that step. Now that we have that all mixed up, I'm going to open up the bread. And I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of the jam to the bottom side of the interior of the Italian bread. There's going to be a nice base for the chicken to settle right onto. On the top side, we're going to spread the mayo across the top side of the bread. Next, I'm just going to get my chicken breast with the brie right onto a cookie sheet. And I'm going to put it on the top rack so it can broil for about 30 seconds to a minute just to get that cheese nice and gooey. Now that a minute has passed, we got this nice and melted. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the chicken, make sure we scoop up any of that extra brie, and lay it right onto the fig jam. Now, since that's melted down quite a bit, I'm going to add some more of the fresh brie just so that we have a little bit of the brie cheese solid and whole that's nice to the bite. We're going to cut down about 2 to 3 more slices of the cheese. Lastly, I'm going to grab this arugula with the honey and mustard on it. I'm just going to top that across the brie cheese just to add some greens and color and a little bit of flavor to this dish. And close this all up. Now I'm going to fold this over, and with a serrated knife, I'm going to give it a cut right down the center on a diagonal. That way we get a sandwich that we can manage and it's easy to eat. And then we're just going to place that on our plate. Just slightly separate it, and you're almost ready for serving. And there you have it, my Epis marinated chicken sandwich. Now as you can see, I paired this up with a chilled glass of rosé because it's going to pair nicely with the brie cheese and the thick jam. Now if you've enjoyed this video, please hit that subscription button, like, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget that I have one more recipe that's going to be featuring the same chicken here, and it's going to be a dinner recipe. I'm trying to show you 3 recipes on how you can use this Epis marinade to make your life a little simpler. Thank you for joining me at Cook, Eat Up.